In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the merge, shape, subtract, and intersect commands in PowerPoint. This powerful feature allows you to merge text and images seamlessly, adding a professional touch to your presentation. So whether you're a student working on a project, a professional designer, or just someone keen to make your slides more visually appealing, this guide has you covered. First things first, open up your PowerPoint application on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you'd like to enhance. If you're starting from scratch or revisiting an old project, be assured that integrating this technique can make a world of difference to your slides. Once you've opened your presentation, proceed to the slide containing the image or shape you wish to modify. Click on that image or shape to select it. You'll notice that having it highlighted makes various formatting options accessible, setting the stage for your creative efforts. With your target image or shape selected, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Shape Format tab in the ribbon. Click on this tab, which serves as the control center for adjustments you can make to the shape in question. Now, within the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Merge Shapes. It should be positioned prominently among your tools. Clicking on this button will reveal several options for shaping your visuals. These choices include Union, Combine, Fragment, Intersect, and Subtract. Each option offers unique ways to alter and enhance your visuals. Let's delve into how you can choose between these options. For instance, the subtract feature is fantastic for cutting out parts of your shape or image, which can be particularly useful if you're aiming to create negative space or highlight certain portions within your design. For a different approach, the intersect option allows you to only keep the overlapping part of multiple selected shapes or images. This can be ideal for highlighting or emphasizing the shared area in a complex design, bringing an element of focus to your layout. Additional tips include experimenting with different combinations to see what aesthetically suits your presentation. Don't hesitate to press undo if the first attempt isn't quite right. Practice and patience go hand in hand with design, and soon you'll be able to envision precisely how you want each slide to appear. Remember, the goal is to make your presentation not just informative but also visually engaging, ensuring your audience remains captivated. And there you have it, a straightforward process to use the merge, shape, subtract, and intersect commands in PowerPoint. With these tools at your disposal, your PowerPoint slides can be transformed into visually dynamic presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.